Now let's look at sine function in details. Before studying the trigonometric function, let's think about angles. Looking at a watch should make it easier to understand angles. The angle where hour and minute hands make is 90 degrees at 3 o'clock. What is the degree of an angle when it is 6 o'clock? Yes, it is 180 degrees. We call sexadecimal method for a general method to express these rotating angles in a degree unit. Let's learn about a new angle expression method, radian. The radian is expressed in a ratio between the radius length and arc length, and unit is a radian. When the radius length and arc length are the same, the radian value becomes 1. When the arc length is twice longer than the radius length, the radian becomes 2. It can be expressed as radian equal to s divided by r, in a general formula. Do you know the circle's circumference formula, 2 pi r? Even if you do not know, think of it as a circular constant, that has a value of single quote 3.1415. And a formula about radius and circle's circumference. The arc length is 2 pi r, and the radian is 2 pi r divided by r, which becomes simply 2 pi, when the general angle is 360 degrees. As a result, it can be found out easily that the radian of the center angle 180 degrees of semicircle becomes pi. When radian's value is pi, at 180 degrees. What is the radian at a degree? The radian value is expressed as radian equal to pi divided by 180 times a, in a general formula. Initially, the trigonometric function had developed from the relationship and ratio of a triangle's sides and angles, and it had been used widely on astronomy and geometry long time ago. Let's learn about sine concept by looking at the ratio of the simplest right-angle triangle's sides and angles. Each angle's sine value means the ratio of BC side and AC side. Let's think about the trigonometric function sine's definition. By using the previously learned circle and radian value of radian method. When the intersection P of circle's arc and the coordinates are a, b, the regular angle theta, which is made between the upside and x-axis. It is a radian sine value of ratio between b and radius r, as you can see from the triangle picture below. A general formula can be expressed as sin theta equal to b divided by r. Hasn't been difficult to follow so far. Let's understand the trigonometric function sine's principle by using a very simple example. John loves a slide the most on a playground. One day, his friends and he were curious about the height of the slide. They measured the slide using a long measuring tape, and the height was 6 meters. They confirmed the angle of the slide was 30 degrees from the park management office. Could we calculate the slide's height using the sine's principles? I will give you a hint. When an angle is 30 degrees, the sine theta's value is 1/2. Let's find a solution, according to the formula. Sine theta equal to b, the slide's height, divided by the slide's length. The slide's height b, that we are looking for, is 3 meters, which is a multiplied value of sine theta's value. 1/2, and the slide's length was 6 meters. A formula to show the sine theta values changes according to angles is y equals sine x. A graph is drawn with curves in the symmetry of the origin and between y value of -1 and 1 by 2 pi cycle. We call this function graph as sine waves.